arm to shreds. Cloud9 like to shreds. Come back. I love you. She's just like over there and she's like, meow. So I am going to do a reaction to a video. I'm gonna watch how animals eat their food. Yeah. So. Oh my.
See how animals eat their food?
What the heck? Sure.
Watch closely.
I can't find a closet. He sounds like a gay guy. Like, no offense to gay people, but he just sounds like a gay guy. He's like, want to see how animals eat their food? Watch carefully. Because every animal just goes, yeah. I don't know how animals eat their food. What's that? Oh my god. Ouch. Oh gosh. What did I just watch? Question mark, question mark, question mark, ow. That was animals eat their food. I don't know how to react to that. That was just like, I don't know, it was just like hilarious. Weird. Hilariously weird. Mashed up into a ball of animals and You know that's weird, okay? I don't think animals eat like that. I don't think an alligator goes, da, da, da. I'm sorry. The kangaroo one, oh gosh. That must have hurt. Revealing the table. I'm a cardboard box, yay! I really make a good voice actor, but I suck at animation. Yeah. End of story. I do not know what you guys just made me watch. My friend actually told me to watch that. So. Bye. Oh yeah. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and please like, subscribe if you enjoyed. You can favorite it too. I don't really know. I don't really have much in my favorite box, but yeah. Oh, and leave any comments and suggestions on what you think I should do in my next video. Or just show me some other weird video that you really want me to watch, and do not Rickroll me. I hate when people do that. I'm never gonna give you up. Okay, I'm done. Okay, bye.